Good morning, everyone. So this week we are going to be doing a week of my life. It is my last official week of college before finals, so it's my last week of class. So I thought it'd be fun to vlog. I've been doing a lot of these college week of my life and day of my life videos because you guys always request them. They're your favorite videos to watch according to you guys, so I love doing them. I thought it'd be fun doing a video wrapping my freshman year. I'm actually filming another video. Someone was banging on my door. Well, I'm actually doing another video this week. I need to move out of my dorm, so I'm going to be doing a video packing up my dorm, and then I'm probably going to be doing a video moving out of my dorm and then unpacking into my house. That'll be fun. I actually have a ladder right there to take the wallpaper down. If you guys want to see like time lapses and things like that of me packing and moving out, check out that video. It'll come out after this one. I have a huge test tomorrow that I just need to study for and just like crank it out. I'm taking a final today online for my women's studies class, so I need to like review and study really quick and then just take it. That's what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'll see you guys when I'm done with my final. I just finished my final. I'm actually really hungry, so I'm thinking about getting a lunch soon, but I finished with an A in the class. If I were to get an 80% on the final, I would have had like a high B, but I got a 92, so I have an A in the class. This is a look. My skin is just like doing so much better and I'm so happy about it. I called my internship because they wanted me to call them just like give me more information about the summer, but they weren't available, so I guess I'll have to call them back soon. I think I'm gonna get lunch and then study for my econ test, which is killing me, literally killing me. I'm not kidding. Wow, I look like a crackhead. This econ test, you guys, though, don't get me started. I just went and got food and I didn't want to put pants on because I was like, pants are stupid. So you can hear the water, my sweet mate showering, sorry. So I wore this dress, which is so freaking short. Like I kept pulling it down, but like it's really short and it literally looks like I'm wearing like a guy's shirt after like a one-night stand and I'm doing the walk of shame. Cute, not really. I got lunch again. I'm actually really excited about this. So I got my usual, why does this always happen to me? Oh, did it break? I got my usual salad, right? And then water. But sometimes they have different sides that you can get. And oh my gosh, they had a muffin. I'm so excited. I just finished my salad. Now we're doing a muffin taste test. I'm just really excited about this muffin. It feels moist. Oh, I'm so... No, it ain't it. I'm still gonna eat it though. Kind of gross though, but I'm still gonna eat it. In detail muffin review. First off, I should have known it was gonna be gross because my dining hall made this muffin. I should have known. It was also very moist, but it had a weird aftertaste, which made me feel very uncomfortable. That was my muffin review. Now I'm gonna study for my exam. We're shh, I'm vlogging. We're studying and I hate, no, I need to say that over. We're studying and I hate econ. Say hi. No? Okay.
Just redo it later.
No, we're not gonna redo it later.
Alright, start over.
You want me to start over vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay, me too. We're studying econ and we hate econ. It's blurry, it's not on you. I've been studying all day pretty much, and I think it's a good idea for me to take a break because I've literally memorized these questions answers without even understanding why the answer is what it is. So I'm taking a break. I'm gonna get ready for chapter, which I have really soon. Yeah, I also really have to pee right now. What's happening? I also ate chicken for dinner, which was really gross and rubbery and I hated it. Happy Tuesday. I'm currently just about to leave for my econ exam. I had math earlier today. I walked in there as the first person to walk into that class because I was super early and all the lights were off and I was like, is this class not today? But it was. I'm going to take my econ exam. I'm gonna leave in like 10 minutes for it. And I've just been studying all day, all night, all of my entire life, I feel like, and I still don't fully understand all of this stuff. We're about to econ it up. That was so weird and cringy that I just said that. Outfit of the day. I wear an outfit like this every single day. It's kind of embarrassing. The athletics. The social life. Old Navy. Also, my room's a mess again. In one of my videos, I like showed my gross trash can because I've been procrastinating taking it out because the elevators were broken. And someone's like, wow, you're a disgusting person. This just proves how disgusting you are. And I was like, okay, thanks. It's so much later right now. It is 5 o'clock. I normally try to like relax on Tuesdays after all my classes and just like breathe and hang out with friends, eat food. I had Qdoba, it was great. And then I have a spin class that I'm gonna leave for in about an hour-ish, and that I would just clean my room, so I thought maybe I'd do a time lapse of it because I have not vlogged like at all today. But again, today is like my like chill, relax, have fun, hang out with friends day. Good morning. morning, happy Wednesday. I just woke up. I'm currently checking my grade because he put in my exam from yesterday and he drops the lowest test grade, so I'm seeing what my grade technically is because he drops lowest test grade, so I'm gonna like mess with my grade to see what it actually is. Today I'm going to go to my manager's office and then do something for a sponsored video that I couldn't figure out, and then I'm going to go to Target because I need to get some eyelashes for my formal, which is on Friday. What? Okay, I'm confused now. For some reason, it's not telling me the percent, but it's telling me like how many points out of what, so I calculated it. And that's my final grade in the class. Whooped. So I'm pretty much done with school for right now because my next final is next Thursday, so it's in over a week, so I just need to study for that. So until then, I just have all this free time because I take online classes and most of them already have their final, or I don't need to take a final. Just so fantastic. I also get a lot of questions asking me if it's normal for people to take a ton of online and hybrid classes. It's not. Most people have classes like Monday through Thursday that I know. All the professors that I wanted were taken by the time I signed up for my schedule because the honors college signs up first, so I didn't get the professors that I wanted, so I just did online because those had the best rate. My professors. I get that question a lot. I think I'm going to take this thing down. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna miss it so much. Okay, I just did some of the wallpaper. I'll give you guys a sneak peek just because I want you to be excited for the video. So yellow. I just got done at my manager's office. They helped me with this like whitelisting thing, which is like advertising. It's really confusing. It took us like an hour, I feel like. Yeah, it took us an hour to figure it out. I'm just really glad that it's done. I didn't vlog there because I wasn't sure if I was allowed to show like that part, like sponsored content, because there's obviously stuff that you can't show, and I don't think that I probably could have, but I just didn't want to risk it, you know? I didn't want to get in trouble. So going to Target now. I'll vlog while I'm there because it's my favorite place ever and it puts me in the best mood ever. Every time I go to my manager's office, it makes me so happy because I'm like, wow, you helped me so much and I don't have to do any of this annoying stuff that I hate. We're here at the love of my life with my really loud cart. I'm literally here. Okay, my cart is so loud. I'm literally here just for eyelashes, but everything is so cute and I want everything here. This is not my usual Target and I keep getting lost and I have no idea where anything is. I'm in the hair aisle. Some guy is so loud. I apologize. Ruining the vlog. I'm trying to find eyelashes. I feel like they're around here. This is more hair stuff. I literally went into the food aisle because I got so lost. My usual Target is so much more organized than this. Ooh, I've heard that this stuff is really good. Ooh, okay, no, I don't need this. There's a girl currently looking at eyelashes, so we're gonna give her a minute and then we're gonna go in. What do we think about these? These are half lashes, so they're a lot easier to put on. These could also be cool, but I feel like they're like a lot. There's people everywhere, and this worker kept standing next to me while I was picking these out, and I feel like she probably thought I was trying to steal something because I was being sketchy, but I was like just trying to vlog discreetly, but it probably looked sketchy. I picked these ones out because I'm really bad at putting on lashes and I didn't want to get super long ones, so I thought these are like the most dramatic natural ones that I could go with. I almost accidentally got magnetic ones, which would have been horrible, so I'm glad I got these. Anything else I want or need? I just remembered that I have a Target gift card that I left at home. Kind of annoyed. I'm trying to just go in the food aisle because I'm kind of hungry, so I want to see if there's anything that I want. I take it back. I'm actually getting sucked into the home decor. That's so cute. I don't need it, but that's so cute too. I'm trying to figure out how I want to design my dorm room for the next year, but I don't know. Target, sponsor me, please. I'm begging you. What is this piece of hair? I decided to take an enneagram. I don't know if that's the way you pronounce it, but like an enneagram, whatever, like the personality test thing, because I wanted to see who I was. These were my results. I'm a type 2, and then I don't know if there's like a way to pronounce it. 2 wing 1, is that the way you pronounce it? 2W1. I have no idea what these mean, so I gotta research it. Helpers who need to be needed. Oh, that's so sad. Yikes. Good morning. It's Thursday, currently lunchtime. I'm just sitting here eating. Well, getting ready to eat, I guess. So today's Thursday. I don't have anything going on today. I have a spin class at night, like during the day I have nothing going on. So I started packing up. Why can't I point to it? There it is. I started packing up some stuff to move back home, and that will be in my moving vlog. I did my laundry, which was the last thing that you guys saw. Oh gosh, I just spilled lettuce everywhere. Today has just been super casual and like laid back. I haven't really done anything. I'm packing a little bit more, which again will be in the video, but I am currently listening to Top 100 USA music, and it's all like rap music, which is music that will probably be playing at my date party tomorrow that I probably won't know because I don't know new music, because I listened to like 2008 Taylor Swift on repeat and like Ariana Grande, so like that's all I know. I'm trying to know new music. The only one that I slightly know is like the Horses song. Yeah, that's all I know. I don't even know that song completely, but I'm trying so I can be cool. I'm eating a granola bar, so excuse me for a second. I don't know why I started vlogging. I just got back from spin class. I always want to vlog the spin class, but like I'm literally kind of busy. The instructor, who is my favorite, his name's Chris, he was like, he walked up to me and he goes, so I stalked you and like, I saw you do YouTube. And I was like, yeah, I stalked you too. And I saw you, like, so he was really nice and he's my favorite instructor. So shout out to you, probably not watching this. But right now I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm going to put on some self tanner. This one's my favorite. They sent it to me a while ago. Not sponsored at all. I literally turned down a sponsorship with this company. No tea, no shade. I really want to eat another granola bar because that one was so good. Next time you guys see me, I'll be clean and tan. Happy Friday. I am so tan, as you can see by my neck and my hands besides that. So I'll be peace-eyed. Oop. Do you see how dark my legs are? That is quality. I didn't tan my face, as you can see. Also in a row. My sweet mate just moved out. And okay, weird thing, I don't really know why. ASU, it comes with these hooks. And like, this was mine. And this was just like an empty one for the roommate I should have had. And then these were like my two sweet mates. And I've always wondered like whose towel was who. I don't know why, but I did. Okay, I'm gonna start getting ready early just so I can be done early. Oh, I'm so excited to be filming here because normally I can't because the air conditioning is on. But since my sweet mates are gone, I was able to go into their room and turn the AC off. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so dark. I also like have like a blood stain right there because I pick at my skin, which is gross. So I'm just sitting here watching Jeffree Star, who I don't normally watch, but I've recently been into him ever since he got his makeup stolen. I don't know what foundation to use. That looks like it could work. Let's try this one. This one is like a lot more liquidy and light coverage. I don't know if it'll cover up like my acne scarring and stuff like that. Time lapse while I watch Jeffree Star. The makeup that I did, it's very like bronze and glowy. I feel like it actually matches my body more. Okay, these lips are disgusting. In one moment. We're back. Sorry, those lips were a no from me, but the makeup that I did, pretty much the makeup that I like always do. I was doing the time lapse, but then I got bored and I was like, okay, not trying to have my camera battery die, but I went for very like bronze and glowy. And these are the lashes. If you guys don't remember when we went to Target earlier in this vlog to get lashes, oh my gosh, I'm like, I look too glowy. Is that even a thing? Can that, that's not a thing. I have a while to do my hair. I might do it in like 10, 15, 30 an hour. I just curled my hair and I don't know, I just feel really good about myself. I'm like, oh look, I look so hot for the first time in forever. I haven't like actually gotten like fully ready and like looks cute in a really long time. So whenever I do, I'm like, ooh, she cute. This is me, my hair curled. I just feel good about myself. I just want to like stare at myself in the viewfinder. That's so narcissistic, but like that's not normally who I am. I'm normally like, I look like an egg. Okay, so here is the look. If you hear like a weird like buzzing like mosquito trap sound, it's that light. It's been like that ever since I moved in. Hopefully they don't charge me for it, but I feel so tan. Also, my face looks a lot paler. Here, I'll try to get it better. The lighting from like this mirror to that mirror is just so different, but my face looks okay. This isn't light. So annoying. So tan. Oh, I need to get my necklace in my gym bag because I forgot to take it off, but here it is. I'm kind of nipping, but like it's also, in my opinion, like part of the look. Like I'm making that part of the outfit. Just added some jewelry just to like add to the look. So I put on this necklace, which is from Princess Polly, and then these hoop earrings that are just little gold skinny hoops that are a decently big size. I got them from Nordstrom Rack for pretty cheap, so I really like them. I also put some highlight like on, there we go, on my like shoulders and like collarbones. I'm wearing 3 highlighters right now. It's great. You guys probably think I'm a raging narcissist. I swear I'm not. I just never feel like this confident and good and like tanned.
My earring just fell out. There's people right here. I need to put my earring in though. We love a good friend. This is our party, guys. No one's on it. No one's coming to this day party. Really? Say hi! Hi. I'm trying to fix my broken earring, but it's not working.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was such a fun week for me. I actually have videos that I filmed before this one that will go up after this one. I just wanted to upload this one first because this was such a fun week for me. So I hope that you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, that's the word. Subscribe if you're not already, and then you should follow me on Instagram. Exciting things happening on Instagram. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.